So I'm having yogurt. This is from Costco. I did end up going to Sam's Club and I got their yogurt and I like it a lot better, but I'm using up what I have. And then I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and get it. Anyway, there's a lot happening at work. You'll hear more about it next school year. And then I'm gonna add my blueberries, which I love these blueberries. They're frozen. But look at, they really make you purple. And I'm eating it with a fork. So my daughter's moving out. She's so excited. I'm excited for her with her best friend. They're gonna live in the city. She's always wanted to live in the city, but it has been so hard finding an apartment. But we finally found one. Perfect location. She's gonna be really, really happy there. So yeah, that was the news I was telling you about. I'm sad she's going because I like having her home. We cook many dinners together and stuff, but it's a car ride or a train ride. She's not far from a train station, which is good. She's near a ton of restaurants, and she's only about a little walk to the zoo, which is my favorite. I love going to the zoo.